Hello friends, so आज we have to do a nifty analysis. Let's see where it is today. I'm just trying to click on the screen. What's happening? Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let me share my screen. Hope my screen is visible to you all. So let's first analyze the nifty and the major indices. Let's do the chart. I start with, so today is 13th. I generally do daily analysis. So let's do move the chart and see if I check. It's 15 minutes. Let's make it one day. This is a daily analysis. So it's still far below the high it has made in September, and it's trading somewhere here. You can see 25807 is a good resistance, and it's respected the resistance here. It is not in, the nifty is not in a rush to break its high. However, if I move to bank nifty, it has already broken its high and it's above that. But my take here, it could come down, it could come down till here, somewhere here, 52,713, the line which I have drawn. But it will not come like all of a sudden. It will come, but it will not come. It can come here like 53,476. So the trend clearly is rising. If I create a blinder, let me create a blinder trend line. I'm not matching it with much of it. So it is definitely in a rising trend. So I generally don't believe in like matching point to point or everything. I can clearly see it will go up and down from the lines that we create. But generally, what's the trend? The trend is rising. So I'm definite that at some point in time, if it crosses like this, and if it comes down like here, it's definitely going to come here to touch this particular blue trend line, that this red point. The two red lines I have created, the first from the top, it's going to definitely hit this one for sure, and somewhere it's intersecting here. If I continue the trend line, it's intersecting here by 20th. It's too far, it's saying, but it will definitely come down and then it will rise back again. That's what the market says. So what's about Sensex? Sensex is, again, it has not yet crossed its high that was made in September. Everything crossed its high, touched its high in September. It's still rising. The trend, if I'll see, is definitely rising. Definitely rising. And the long-term trend is definitely rising. I have not added moving averages or any RSI, RS super trend. I don't believe in that. I do. I can't say I don't believe in it. I do believe, strongly believe in that, but not. First, I do a plain analysis. Simple. What is this mid cap nifty? What happened here? Well, it's definitely, again, it's a rising trend. It's going down. It's volatile, much volatile. So I believe it's showing like, yeah, it kind of like making say W pattern. So it will come down till here. If I'm not wrong, I should bring this line to here. It should come down here and then go back again. So I'm saying that 12,091. What about Fin Nifty? It's definitely rising, and that's good one. So now let's move to Nifty's top 10 chart. What happened? So just remember, just recall what happened on in the recent past. I'm somewhere here in June. It's going up and down, up and down. It's kind of range bound. If I have to take the range, let me take a range parallel channel. Let me draw a parallel channel from here. This is the channel that Nifty is not in a mood to go out in a hurry. Yes, this is the channel. It's definitely seems like a channel. Great. So it may stay here only, or it can come down. It may go up a bit, but it'll stay in this range. What's the range? 25072 to 24438. A good range. Nearly 600 points range. So what? Remember this chart and see how it's moving. Remember this part. It's going up, down, and what's happening with the Reliance. More or less, it's showing the same pattern, and I don't see any weaknesses in Reliance now. HDFC Bank. Oh, it's in a rising trend. Very good. It might fall, but it will not fall much. I see a strong support at 1800. ICICI Bank, what is this doing? Making the same kind of pattern. Let's go to NIFTY. Infy. Oh, Infy is way beyond where it was in September. It's clearly struggling. It's in a downtrend or correction. It might even. I believe it can go down. If we take a pause, it will consolidate. What's happening with TCS? That's my favorite. I've made a lot of money here. Oh God, I made money when it was like 3800 and 4100. Yeah, I made money around here, this point. So where is this now? Oh my God, it's a good buy. It's showing again. It's going to come down. Let's move to 2H. Oh my God, it's clear cut downtrend. I don't see anyone interested can go ahead and buy. I would say this is a big thing. These are big guys. I can invest in here. I definitely see it to move beyond this 45. The target is big. The point where it is now, let's take this point. Let's take this high 3485. Let's open an Excel. 3485. And what's my long-term target? I would go till here 4132. 4132. How much point am I gonna get? Oh God, 647. So if suppose if I buy, I invest, I buy say 20. What's my investment? I'm talking about investment and not 82,000. Let's make it 1 lakh equals to 100,000 divided by this. This is my buy price 28. Let's make it 25 then. What's gonna be my investment? This what return I'm gonna expect is this 16,000. Good. That's a good amount. 18%. Not bad. Let's call it 19% and round. Not bad. But how much time? I see that in 6 months. 6 months. Let's see if this is matching or not. So let's move back to our analysis. Not here. Let's move back to our analysis here. Kotak Bank rising, consolidating and rising. ITC. It's consolidating. The trend is definitely downtrend. Hindustan Lever downtrend, consolidating. SBI should be, yeah, it's a kind of uptrend and consolidating. What about Bharti Airtel? Oh, it has already broken its high, I believe. Yes, let's check. Oh, it has already broken its high and it's consolidating definitely. So overall, I see a positive sentiments in here. So let's also check on the FIIs and DIIs activities. FIIs are clearly selling, DIIs are buying that with double the speed. What are they doing in stocks? FIIs, DIIs are continuously buying, I believe. Yep, it's continuously buying. A small profit bookings. DIs have been buying. So I don't see market going down anywhere in near future. It can give you some hiccups because of this FIIs, but I'm sure. And at the end, let's see the option chain for Nifty. I'm just gonna conclude for Nifty only. No strategies. Okay, thank you so much for the bot. It's somewhere 25,287 is the spot for 19 June. The highest consolidation I see 25,000, and in here I see 25,700. Oh god, market is in a mood. Great. So I believe that's it for today. We can